Hello friends, how are you? Hope you will be fine and healthy. I will talk about luck and hard work in this video ahead. So please watch this video till end and give your feedback below in comment box after watching this video till end. Actually, what are you thinking? Luck is important or hard work is important? Or both are the necessary things? I have seen some people, those are very hard working people, do lot of hard work, but they still fail to achieve their goals, proper goals. And there are some people who do not do lot of hard work, but do smart work, but they succeed and they become rich in early ages. You have seen that sometimes you have been working since many years, but the people of half of your age are succeeded. You will see them that they are constructing the buildings, they have a good vehicle, car, other things, but they are half of your age. How they got the wealth? Actually, when you will succeeded, you get everything, then you say that these are due to our hard work. But I think that with hard work, luck is very necessary. If you are lucky, you will get the things easily. If you are not lucky, after doing lot of hard work, you will get, I think, nothing. You will fulfill your deeds and your household expenses very hardly. So I will share my own experience that I believe on luck, because I also seen some people, those are not too much intelligent and they do a lot of things, they succeed. And there are some I have seen intelligent people, those can do greater plan, great things, but they fail. Actually, I think that sometimes your correct time is also required, that this specific time you will get the things easily. Some people get the things in the early ages, some people gets benefit in their older ages. So when you get the things in your early ages, you don't have the experience of poverty. You have not seen the poverty. You directly see the richness. Then you will be, I think, senseless, sympathyless. You are not the kind of person, those are very sympathetic towards the mankind, because you have not seen the hardships, the worries, the tensions, the problems of life. And those people who gain the things after a lot of hard work, after a lot of hardships, they are very beautiful people and they are very sympathetic kind of people, because they know the hardships and they are the kind of people those will support the humanity. Otherwise, I have seen lot of rich peoples who don't care about the poor people. Even in their neighbors, They are living poor people, but they don't have any kind of feelings about them, because they think that we are eating good, we are wearing good, we are relaxed, we are happy, everybody will be happy, because they have not seen the depth of poverty. What is the white collar kind of people? There are so many people, those are white collar kind of people, those never begged from you. This is your duty to pay attention on their demands, on their necessities. Sometimes those people who get the wealth easily, they say that why is sitting idle, why is not doing the work. They don't know the kind of work that other person is doing. Everybody is worried about their livelihood, everybody is doing something, but by luck they are not succeeded, or their time is not good. And if someone is poor, this is your examination, that what will you do, how you will behave with that person. This is not the examination of that person. That person will get reward, if not in this world, but afterward. Hereafter he will get the great reward. But I think that whenever I see the mean kind of rich people, those don't have the sympathy towards the poor people, those don't have any kind of that worry or thinking about others, understanding mind. Some people understand by seeing others, by watching others, and those are the people who got the wealth after seeing lot of hardships. But those people who becomes rich without seeing lot of hard works, because the factory was running, his father factory was running, the son becomes the CEO of that company. And how can that son be very positive or sympathetic towards the poor people? Because that son has not seen the hardships, he has seen the richness. He don't know that wherever you are spending thousands of lakhs of money, there are some people who are craving for 10 rupees. I am very sorry whenever I see in the society that there are a little, I think that 2% people from 100, 2% people live the life, know their life, what is the main genius of their life. All other 98 people are live and die without knowing what is their main motive of life. So I think that if you want to live, because we are not permanent in this world, so we should take care, we should do our best to support others. We should look after other people, we should try to know the problems of other people if we have the ability, if God have given us the ability. Some people have the sympathetic mind, heart, but they don't able to support others. Financially, some people are poor, they want to support others, but they are not themselves good in finance. So those people who have the wealth, don't consider that this wealth is due to your hard work. This is the kindness of God. This is the reward of God, examination of God. There are so many other people more hard worker than you. They are not succeeded. You are succeeded by luck, but this is your great examination, and it is very difficult for you to pass this examination. So always take care of other people, look some poor people around your locality, in your friend circle, and support them. Those are those are willing to do something. If you can support, don't support petty things. Try to support them that they will build their own business, or they will be able to earn their own livelihood. Some people give a little amount to this person, little amount to this person, little amount to this person. But instead of giving the little amounts, try to support a huge amount to any poor person. Then you will be easy. He will do his own business. Then he will not come again to you. Then look another poor person, support him to start his business or in any kind of where he is interested in. In this way, you will be able to finish the poverty from the society, and you will also make others pupils to start their own work. Hope whatever I want to say you have understood. Give your feedback below in comment box. Right now, allow me from this video. In next video, I will talk about any other topic. This is our English language learning channel. So please watch our other videos in playlist. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.